Hello, welcome to this HELiOS short clip. In this video, I would like to give you an insight into the HELiOS-Inventor interface. However, it is much easier to explain all functions of HELiOS as a PDM and PLM system in a one-to-one conversation. Therefore, I will concentrate solely on the Inventor interface. One advice in advance: it is a lot easier and quicker to find your project information with HELiOS. If in the past you have only worked with Windows Explorer and created a project directory in which you have placed all files, it might have looked as follows. You have placed all files arbitrarily one below the other, and the files have not borne any reference to each other, as it is the case with these CAD files. In HELiOS, everything is sensibly connected via articles, for example this stud. Here we have the geometry file and the drawing file, sensibly linked by this article. It is possible to look at the information via Inventor View, even if Inventor is not installed on the computer. So how do we get the CAD information from Inventor to HELiOS? I would like to demonstrate this with the help of an example. Fundamentally, none of the Inventor functions have changed. The only new feature regarding HELiOS is the HELiOS tab, where I can, for example, activate the project under which I want to save my files. I will activate the Inventor project now. As it is now active, everything I do will be locked in this project. Let's create a new part. I would begin by drawing the part. As I said, we have not modified the Inventor functions, which means you can work as usual. I will fast forward the next steps so that it doesn't get too boring for you when I click through these functions. We will now move it to the database via the HELiOS Part tab. We can see that our project is still active. I want to save my drawing to the project. I can do that in the Enter Article mask. You name it, and then confirm. The Enter Document mask is a representation of the geometry if you want. You could also change the name here, but by default it enters 3D model, as it is exactly that. The remaining information can be obtained via the article. Now confirm with OK. Check it in, and thus we have placed the stud in HELiOS. This was the geometry representation, so our document. And now we have to create the respective drawing. Again, in order for it not to get boring for you, I will fast forward the procedure. Alright, now I want to file the drawing in our active project. We proceed via the Enter Document mask. Production drawing is in the list of suggestions. This means I can confirm the suggestion or modify it and add stud 2.0, for example. I confirm, and nearly all pieces of information we have added in the article and document are displayed in the drawing frame. Who edited it, the article name, the name of the drawing, the article number, the drawing number, and the respective project in which it is installed. We check it in, go back, and under our stud we can find the stud itself and the production drawing. It is that simple to transfer information from Inventor to HELiOS. Additionally, we could add the stud to an assembly. To do so, we go to the document mask and open the joined unit. Now place New, and we select our stud 2.0. As the assembly already exists in HELiOS, I just need to check it in again, and the new pieces of information can be found in HELiOS, meaning that I have added the stud to the assembly. If we look at the joined unit that we have just loaded, we can see the respective geometry. And the production drawing would have to be updated, of course. However, in the product structure of our assembly, we can already find the stud we installed. We go back, and then we would load the respective updated production drawing, including the stud we just added. Then we check it in again, and then the additional information is visible in the joined unit in HELiOS. This was all for now. If you are interested, please make sure you have a look at the other short clips regarding HELiOS. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.